guys, I'm still working on our project. So today I'll be working on the choose both aspect because I'm actually thinking that people like this, the choose both should be here, and I'm just trying to make it that if we never if it, there will be a gap between the engine and the choose both because of some interval of vibration. So I'm still going to have some some kind of mechanism I'm going to do on the vibration on the choose both because of internal vibration so that whenever the car is on, we should maybe the spanners and some other tools that is on it will not be having any making sound. So I'm still going to do a kind of absorber on the tooth box to reduce the sound that will be coming out of the maybe when the car is on gallop and the spanners are moving like this, making this kind of sound. So I'm still going to work on things like that. So right now this is the tooth box here. So this is the tooth box I got. I think this is actually for this is also for a house electrical changeover. So let's see. Now I'm going to be late. Although later on, I'm going to remove this fan now. This because it has a knot here. I can remove it off and I can use this to get the more of this. To put another type of this that can cover all these holes. So let's see the job. So I'm still making the settings. So this now, this is actually an angle that will be carrying this side. This part of the so this side will be carrying this edge. guys. Wow, I love this job, guys. I so much love this job. So I try to make sure that the distance from here, that is where I'm going to put what is going to be absorbing the vibration on this. Because there is a gap here, and there is also another gap here. So I try to make sure that those gaps are actually come out in a very good way. Let me see if I can see. Okay, yeah, I can do that. I can still do that. Wow! I got it, guys. Wow. Good. I love the job. I love the job. Thank you very much. Please always remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and always click the notification button to get notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you, guys. Wow, I love this job. I love this job. So, guys, this is what I was able to do today. You can see this is the tools box. I tried to suspend it on the at the back of the engine, but I also have some gap. Okay, this is the gap I'm talking about, in which I separated, whereby I can put something like a slippers here. I can fix a slippers here because of mechanical vibration. And I also have it here. If you watch down very well, I'm not seeing it very well. If you watch down here, I also have it here. I also have it here. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This gap here. I purposely leave this gap. You can see, you can push this forward and also push it backward. But that space is meant for a can of rubber, whereby I can put rubber to minimize the vibration coming out of the car, coming out from the engine. So, guys, we are still making a lot of progress, and I really love this job. The Gravity Blackbird. Fuck. I can't wait to finish the job, guys. Can't wait. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. God bless you.